I'm Justin Youngblood. I've been with Delta Centrifugal for about 12 years. I started out as a machinist and I had absolutely no experience. It's been a rather long learning ride, but I've learned so much in this place to the point where I actually got the opportunity to help create the lapping department.
We hire anybody off the streets. We do full training here. You don't have to have any experience. Just a willingness to work and a drive to be here every day and be part of the team. We're a family here. We expect everybody to be treated like family and treat everybody else like family.
I've loved working with metal since I started working with metal, and I came here for a new opportunity. It's been great for me here. There's a lot of opportunities here to grow. There's a lot of opportunities to learn, and so far it's been pretty good here.
At Delta, it feels like if there's anybody achievement, we have women and men working here. I started here as a machinist. I had never run a CNC machine. I worked up, then they put me on a water jet doing the test bars, and I interviewed and got this current job. Delta Centrifugal is family. We're a small shop, so everybody knows each other. We get to know each other, we become lifelong friends.
I graduated from school and found myself asking, okay, now what? I need a job that has a future in it. I was married with a child, and now it was time to plan for our future. I had no professional employable skills, so I was unsure what direction to start my search. My high school buddy told me about Delta Centrifugal and suggested I apply there. I scheduled an interview, and that was the beginning of the rewarding future I was in search of. Delta is an opportunity. Delta it's a place that a person who's not real sure what he can do or what he wants to do, he can come to work here and he can get a trade that he can take anywhere in the world. It'll stick with him forever. It's things that you can do. You can make things that they use all over this crazy world we live in. You've got things out there in the ocean that you're making. You've got things that are used in the military. You've got things that are flying out into outer space. Delta Centrifugal makes parts for everything that you can imagine. We have something to do with it out there. My name is Kenny Barfield, Senior Sales Engineer with Delta Centrifugal. My future began right here in the machine shop. Because of the excellent benefits and solid structure Delta offered me, it's now been 42 years since I made that commitment.